.com.
A man drowned this afternoon trying to rescue his wife and a little girl from the Trinity River. It happened in Fort Worth. A bicyclist passing through Trinity Park saw what was going on and jumped in to help. Jeff Harrison was able to pull the woman and the child from the water. Sandra Walker was blue and unresponsive. The little girl, okay. Now, despite not knowing exactly what to do, Harrison began giving Sandra CPR until paramedics arrived. Sandra Walker is listed in serious condition tonight at Harris Methodist Hospital. Jeff Harrison joining us now from Fort Worth. Jeff, you're on a bike ride today, mile 37 of a 50-mile ride. Tell us what happened.
Well, I was just riding on Trinity Park, the Trinity Trails actually, and got to Trinity Park. And I was coming back, and I sort of noticed some people in the water. Little girl, didn't really know what was going on. I thought they might have been out there just for fun, but didn't take long to realize that it wasn't just for fun. So I went down to the edge to sort of see what was going on, and I heard the son was telling me what was, kind of screaming, saying that his dad was drowned. And he was stuck in the current, and I tried to get him to swim out of the current. He never did it. He just kept swimming deeper into it, and I actually saw he actually went under. And from that point on, I took off, and I went over to save the mom and the 7-year-old.
Yeah, you got your bike gear off, and you got into the water. So what happened? You get in the water, and you see this little girl. What do you see?
Well, I got over to the edge, and by that time, I'm taking all my gear off, and I just kind of looked right at her. I mean, we just made eye contact, and she was asking for help, and I just told her, calm down, I'm coming. And so I just jumped in and swam out to her. By that time, her mom was completely under, as far as like her head and all that. And I just grabbed both of them and just started swimming back to the shore. Got the little girl out. She was fine as far as physically. And got her out of the water, and then took the mom, flipped her over on some of the rocks on the edge, and started doing CPR. I mean, I've never done training on CPR, but I just did it like you see on TV, and kept feeling for her pulse, and blowing, hitting the chest, doing the whole thing, and ultimately I felt the pulse, and kind of stopped what I was doing at that point, and just tried to talk to her, just to get her to make some sort of contact, and she kind of blinked her eyes a little bit, and by about that time the paramedics showed up.
Yeah, and you know what the paramedics saying? You're a hero, that you saved Sandra's life.
Well, that's what they say.
So what? Were there a lot of people around you, Jeff, when this was going on?
I mean, there are other people out there. I mean, I saw people standing around at the park, and I talking with some of the officers. They said that they got a lot of phone calls, but I didn't see anybody else jump in. I mean, nobody even came around to help me.
And you didn't think. You're on this bike ride. You see what's going on. You take off your gear. You just get in it and you help, and you save some people's lives tonight.
Yep.
All right. So, are you going to take CPR? Is that now on your list, or are you just going to rely on what you learned from TV, I guess?
I don't have any current plans to take any CPR training, but I hope I never have to do it again.
Sure. Well, thank you. God bless you, Jeff, for doing what you did tonight, saving lives. Jeff Harrison in Fort Worth.